Hey, this is Eagle Tech. I'm checking a air handler here, direct drive, and to weigh to tell if your bearings are bad, we spin it. I don't know if you guys can hear that roaring sound in the bearing. That means this motor needs to be changed. So it's the front bearing on the motor. So this is kind of how the air handler looks. This unit also has a direct expansion coil, which is there's a condensing unit, it's a refrigeration unit that gives it more capacity if we want a colder temperature in the supply space. And they will also have a dehumidifier, which is a Munters wheel that is heat is generated by steam to keep the humidity and the dew point low in the space. So that's some of the stuff we get out here. I'm not going to say where we are, but it's on the roof here, and I have 3 more to do, not like this one, and then we are expanding. So hope you enjoyed that. Thanks.